Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix powder blue, Duco lacquer finish. Powder blue is another color that works well in kitchen. They can create a crisp, clean look and it's recommended for cabinet or even in the ceiling. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order, 1 gallon of powder blue, Lacquer Duco finish paint. Let's start in a 3/4 gallon lacquer white. Then let's add lacquer phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. Next let's add Lacquer International Red. Let's also add Lacquer Black. We are more lighter. Let's add more Lacquer Phthalo Blue, International Red, and Jet Black. Yes, it's powder blue already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.